Section 4. You will hear a university lecture on the effects of climate change on marine life. First, you have some time to look at questions 31 to 40. Now listen carefully and answer questions 31 to 40.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are going to look at the impact of climate change on marine ecosystems. Scientists have observed significant changes in the ocean environment over the past few decades, which have had various effects on marine species and their habitats. Firstly, rising sea temperatures are causing shifts in the distribution of species. Fish and other marine animals are moving to cooler waters, often heading further north or into deeper ocean areas. For instance, species that were once common in tropical regions are now found in temperate zones. This movement impacts the balance of local ecosystems and can lead to the decline of species that cannot adapt or relocate. Additionally, ocean acidification, caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide absorbed by the ocean, poses another serious threat. Acidic waters affect shell-forming marine animals, like corals and mollusks, by reducing the calcium carbonate available for shell formation. This weakens the structures of coral reefs and diminishes their capacity to support marine biodiversity, disrupting food sources and habitats for many organisms. Finally, climate change contributes to rising sea levels due to the melting of polar ice caps. This results in the loss of coastal habitats such as mangroves and estuaries, which are critical breeding and nursery grounds for various marine species. The destruction of these areas threatens the survival of juvenile fish and other marine creatures that rely on sheltered coastal zones for early development. In conclusion, the effects of climate change on marine life are extensive and interconnected. Without immediate action, we risk irreversible damage to our ocean ecosystems, which could lead to a decline in biodiversity and impact human societies that rely on the sea for food, tourism, and economic stability.
That's the end of the Section 4.